Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to talk about the location or direction of an action. This is another lesson on adverbs. The focus of this lesson is on adverbs for place or pang-abay para sa lugar. Adverbs pang-abay for para sa place, lugar. When we use adverbs for place, we talk about the location or direction of an action. In Filipino, lokasyon o direksyon ng isang aksyon. Location, lokasyon, or o. Direction, direksyon. Of, ng. An, isang. Action, aksyon. Here is our first set of adverbs for place or pang-abay para sa lugar. This is about the location of an action. Here, dito. There, for an action done nearby, diyan. And an action done further away, doon. Everywhere, kung saan-saan. Nowhere, wala kahit saan. And somewhere, sa isang lugar or sa isang dako. Let us use those adverbs in a conversation. I lost the key somewhere here. Nawala ko ang susi sa isang lugar dito. I is ko. Lost, nawala. The, ang. Key, susi. Somewhere, sa isang lugar. Here, dito. You see that we've used two adverbs there? Somewhere and here. Sa isang lugar, dito. I searched here and there. Naghanap ako dito at doon. I is also ako. Searched, naghanap. And at. There, doon. I searched everywhere, but it's nowhere. Naghanap ako kung saan-saan, pero wala ito kahit saan. Everywhere, kung saan-saan. But, pero. Ito. Nowhere, wala kahit saan. Did you notice that we inserted ito between wala and kahit saan? This is how we use the adverb nowhere or wala kahit saan in Filipino if referring to an object that is nowhere to be found. Here is a second set of adverbs to indicate the location of an action. Above, sa itaas. Below, sa ibaba. Between, sa pagitan. Sa gitna. Over, sa ibabaw. And under, sa ilalim. Now let us continue that conversation about looking for the key. Try above or below the shelf. Subukan mo sa itaas or sa ibaba ng shelf. The English version actually has an implied you at the start. And when we translate this in Filipino, it is actually you try above or below of the shelf. It's just that in English, we omit that off. It's not necessary. So, you is mo. Try, subukan. Above, sa itaas. Or, o. Below, sa ibaba. Of the is ng. Or look between the books. O tingnan mo sa pagitan ng mga libro. Again, the Filipino version is or look between of the books. But again, it's not necessary to say of in the English version. Or, o. Look, tingnan. Between, sa pagitan. Books, mga libro. I will check over the counter. Titingnan ko sa ibabaw ng counter. I, ko, will check, titingnan, over, sa ibabaw. I will also check under the table. Titingnan ko din sa ilalim ng lamesa. Also, din. Under, sa ilalim. Table, lamesa. Here is another set of adverbs, this time talking about the direction in which an action happens. Up or upward is pataas. Down or downward is pababa. Forward, pasulong. Backward, paurong or paatras. And inward, paloob. Outward, palabas. Now let us use those adverbs in a conversation. I walked up the street. Naglakad ako pataas sa kalye. I, ako. Walked, naglakad. Up, pataas. Up the, pataas sa. Street, kalye. I can only do downwards. Pababa lang ang kaya kong gawain. I is ko, and ng is there after ko just to help us roll it better so that it's easier to connect ko and gawain, kong gawain. Can, kaya. Only, lang. Do, gawain. Downwards, our adverb, pababa. It is hard to walk upwards. Mahirap maglakad pataas. It is hard, mahirap. To walk, maglakad. And upwards, pataas. Here is another conversation. This time, the two people are dancing. Take a step forward. Humakbang ka pasulong. The English sentence has an implied you at the start. You take a step forward. Humakbang ka pasulong. You, ka. Take a step, humakbang. Forward, pasulong. Then, take a step backward. Tapos, humakbang ka paatras. Then, tapos. Backward, paatras. Then, twirl inward and outward. Tapos, umikot ka paloob at palabas. Twirl, umikot. Inward, paloob. And at. Outward, palabas. Here is our last set of adverbs for place or pang-abay para sa lugar. Across, sa kabila. Around, sa paligid. Beside, sa tabi. Behind, sa likod. And in front, sa harap. These are the adverbs that I will leave with you for your own practice. But let us look at one simple example. She went across the street. Nagpunta siya sa kabila ng kalye. She is siya. Went, nagpunta. Across, sa kabila. Of the street. Of the is ng and street is kalye. Then looked around. Tapos tumingin sa paligid. Then tapos looked, tumingin, around, sa paligid. Then returned beside me. Tapos bumalik sa tabi ko. Returned, bumalik. Beside, sa tabi. And me, ko. That is our lesson today, and I hope you found it useful. Try to use the adverbs that we have learned in your homework, which is to write and talk about the location or direction of an action in the Filipino language. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!